Welcome to Excellence in Excel, and in this video we're going to show you how you can use concatenation. And let me explain what's the entire plan. So you can see here we have this information here. We have the sales agents which is blank. What we want to do eventually is create a drop-down list. However, we need to have a concatenation first. So what do I really want to do is we have this first name of our sales agents, which is Mike Johnson. And we have John Lake, or Anna Cook, or Sally Hendricks. What we want to do is, when we insert any name here, it should match it with the last name and automatically get the value of the name, which is Mike Johnson. So how can we do that? Well, very easy. We use concatenation to merge two cells into one. So let me show you exactly how we do that. First of all, we type in equal and then we say concatenate. I want you to select this. You can see now we get the option here. And let's click here on the formula builder. And then here we have text 1. Let's select this. And then we have another text. In this text, we can select this one, but we'll have an issue. And I'll show you why. So let's click here on done. You can see now the name has been concatenated completely. So the solution could be to add up here a space. But of course, that is not nice. So what we really want to do is we want to remove this space here, enter. But we need to concatenate an automatic space between here. So let's click here on the plus sign. And I'm going to move this down here. So we have Mike Johnson, and then here we have a new text. So if I just put in here a space and see if this works. Click done. And instantly, the formula builder will put in here two quotations to make sure that they can read it as a space. If I press here enter, you can see now it works perfectly. And this is exactly how we can use concatenation to concatenate words or last names and first names together into one full phrase. So if you double click here now on this, let's close the formula builder and just double click on this square here. And there you are. So you can see now instantly every single name has a space between here. And this is how you can use concatenations for full names or to extract a sentence somewhere. And especially if you need like more words, you can put always these double quotations here with a space between. So that Excel knows that this is a space needed between the words. So if you like videos and tips like this, check out my link below. In there you can have a wonderful Excel course on Udemy completely for free to improve your skills in Excel.